It's mailbag time. Hey everyone, how's it going? I got 3 boxes here that we're going to open up today, and the reason why I really haven't played with them, well, this one's already open, but the reason why I really haven't played with them yet or made videos of this stuff yet, the first 2 weeks of October every year, it's really busy where I work at, so I've been accumulating stuff, so I figured I'd do an unboxing, just show you what's in store for at least the next few videos on my channel. Now that work has calmed back down, we can open it up and then we can start planning for the future. So we're going to start with the Newegg box today. Then I got a parallel miner box, and then I'm going to save the goodies for last. The white priority mail box is from Chump Change himself. So let me get this stuff moved out of the way and I'll show you what's in the Newegg box. Okay. This one has not been opened yet. Look, I ordered a bunch of bubble. Wow, like 15 feet of bubble. Okay, that's gone. And more bubble. I'm going to need tape for this. There we go. Okay, I've got Team Group MP33 SSD, 256 gigabyte. I believe this cost me about $22 because it's like a cashless drive, but really cheap NVMe SSD. G-Skills Rip Jaws, DDR4 3200, 8 gigs total. Where does it say? 3900X CPU. And finally, move that back, an ASRock B450M Pro 4 revision 2.0. These are the 4 components that I'm going to make a video from start to finish making a CPU mining rig. So that's what I have in store for this, and I think I got all this for like $570. So you can make a CPU mining rig minus the power supply. I'm going to be using server power supplies for this. You can do this for under $600 even through Newegg if you don't have a micro center around, and that's what I wanted to do. And it costs less than most GPUs nowadays. So let's move on to the next box. Here we got parallel miner, and here's the main reason why I ordered these. I have those 2400 watt server power supplies that have 2 fingers, one primary, one secondary. On the primary, each one, I have the ZSX amp breakout board. And on the secondary, I have a generic 12 PCIe plug for it. Well, Parallel Miner now has their amp version, and it has 16 on the secondaries. I know I already have one of them maxed out port-wise. The ZSX amp is full. All the PCIe slots are full on that. Plus the 12 PCIe generic breakout is full, but I'm nowhere near maxing out the power supply. So I can get 4 extra on this board, and you actually get voltage and current because it is their amp version. So since I have 2 of them, I bought 2. So I'm going to be doing a little review on these in the near future. And they also sent a 4-pin remote wire, which will work for these into a different unit, which I'm probably not going to use. And the other thing I got was cables from them. And the difference is, all the other cables I have from them is 24 inches. So on those Kingwin racks I have, a few of the cables are really long, and it turns into a big rat's nest trying to wrap it all together and make it nice and neat because they're too long. And then conversely, some of the cables are a little too short for the farthest away GPU. So I got some 36-inch ones in here, and these are 18-inch ones. I got 2 of those at least here. I forget how much I actually ordered. Let me see here. Oh wait, no, those are 24-inch ones. And there's the rest of these are the rest of the 24s? Yeah, I think so. Okay, yeah, it's just off to the side. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of 24s that are a little bit shorter, and then let's see here, should be 5 of the 36-inch ones. Yeah, the 3-footers. So that should help a little bit more with cable management on my rigs. So that's why I bought the parallel miner stuff, and we will do that all in a different video as well. Okay, now for the fun one. This is the chump change box. And he sent this to me probably like a week and a half ago, and he's been egging me ever since to get it open. I've just been so busy. So, that you don't need to see. He sent me stickers to begin with. Let's see what we got here. Got the chump change stickers. I got the new pocket change stickers. You know my wife's going to steal one of these, of course. You know that. I got Red Panda stickers. I got the Hobbyist Miner stickers. Woohoo! Misfit Mining one. I got the hat, although I left the hat in my car, so I can't even show you. Another Chump and another Misfit Mining. Thank you, Chump Change. It's going to fill up my my drawer right here. I'll have to do that in a few seconds. Let's see here. He's got this big black 3D printer thing. What is this? Oh, wow. This, people, is a 3-piece setup for desktop GPU placement. Let me get these together real quick. I think this just, yeah, that slides right in there. And that's it. And I think they interlock too. Hold on a second. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Now, there's 2. Oh my god. And I think they fit 100. Yep, he's even got the holes in the back for 120mm fan for each GPU that would sit on here. That's freaking cool. Let me grab a junk GPU real quick, because all the rest of my GPUs are at the mining closet. So give me a second and we'll see how this actually works. Get the fan cable out of the way. That's pretty cool. So yeah, each one would have a fan. So now, let's take, wow, this thing's really old. This is out of an old computer, GTX 645. Yeah, it's not worth anything, but it's enough for the demonstration, because like I said, all my good cards are mining right now. Cool. There you go. So yeah, you can do a desktop style if you don't want to actually make a full rig. You can do that, and you can expand perfectly. That's freaking cool, Chump Change. Thanks. I will probably use this in a variation of a test bench that I want to build here soon. Okay, what else has he got here? Got boxes. Oh wow. Purple and green. Misfit Mining and the Chump Change logo, the hangers. One of these days I might actually use these. Fortunately, I have no way to use them right now with the racks I'm using, but thank you so much, Chump Change. That is really shiny for being 3D printed. That's insane. That's cool. There's 2 more in here. This one isn't shaking around. What is this? Is this more hangers or? Oh, no, it's definitely different. Oh, these are the fan clips, so you can make your own like fan wall. And they're purple. I love purple. Actually, yeah, I guess that is purple. Yeah, purple and green. Misfit Mining. Oh my god, that is freaking cool, man. Wow, that print's really freaking good. 2 different styles. Oh, these are the fan clips that will clip onto the wire racks. They have that little clip piece there to it. Cool. So one of these days I will have to do a rack style. And he's still got one more of these little boxes in here. What's in this one? More fan clips. Perfect. Thanks, bro. Wow. gotta get these boxes out of the way. That's cool. Whew. And there's one other thing in here. What are these? Oh, these haven't been released yet. This has been released. The GPU desktop thing was just released. These fan clips have been released. I don't think you released these yet. Let's get another riser. You're gonna love this. I think he's releasing this soon. It is a cover that goes onto the bottom, because invariably these things, see how it's not even stuck all the way? I mean, I love GPU risers, but it doesn't matter. They never stick very well. Stick there. This is meant as a permanent cover that won't come off. Let's see how well it clips in here. I mean, it is 3D printed. Ah, it snapped off. That one didn't quite snap off. That one snapped on. That one's okay. This one doesn't quite sit. Oh, wait. If this side sits flush, this side is not sitting flush. I think it's because... Yep, that's what it was. Just didn't clip all the way. Yeah, this side of the clip's broke. So he's got a little bit more work to do to it. But that is freaking cool. Once it's almost sitting flush, I might have to trim this one down a little bit. I think I might want Chump to go with screw holes instead. And like really 4 little tiny screws to go through versus the clips. Because the 3D printing, it looks good in theory, but the 3D print's just, yeah, see, that just snapped right there. It's just too thin for a 3D print. So I think in the revision before you guys fully release this, you already got the bosses there. Instead, just make a little hole for a little tiny screw to go through and mount these on. But I love the idea that now it's permanently on there. You don't have to worry about anything ever shorting out. And I don't know what colors he's going to do, but it definitely adds a little more class and a lot more protection for your risers. That's freaking cool. Chump, hit me up, man. I got the one idea for you. Change this to a screw hole instead of a clip, because the clips are a little too flimsy for 3D printing. The rest of it's nice and strong, though. I love it. He sent another one, and he sent another one. That's perfect. And that's the end of the Chump Change box. So now you understand why I waited to the end to open up Chump Change's box, because I had a feeling he had a lot of stuff in there. He hinted at it, but I didn't really know until I fully opened it. Everything here, including the GPU thing, which I put up top, the GPU desktop stand, all of that is available for sale from Chump Change on the Misfit Mining Discord. There will be a link for it in the video description. These, I believe he's finishing the design for it. These are not available at the time of me recording it, but I think he's almost ready to release these. He's got to do a few more tweaks to it, but not bad for a pre-production test. I love it. So probably the next few videos... Oh, and I forgot one other thing too. Got to do a review on. Gold Shell Mini Doge. If you haven't seen my video short that I put up last week, yeah, it's all the way over there where you can't see it. It's running right now. I'm getting data for it before I can make the full video for it. So I'll have a video for the Mini Doge. This is going to be for a CPU miner build / test bench. That video is going to be coming out. All the stuff from Chump Change will eventually be used in other videos. I'm definitely going to play with these some more. I love these. That is freaking cool. And of course, I'll have at least one more video coming up with the parallel miner stuff. So thanks for watching. Any relevant links will be down in the video description, and I will see you on the next video.